recording fireworks again, but they just stopped. There's more over there. You can't see them on my craptastic camera.
That's what you need, right?
I have a real video camera. I forgot to bring it. I almost fell again. These are so pretty. Wow.
He's gonna have the script done by Monday.
Cool. Like Friday, at least the 10th. What's the 10th?
Friday, because you're gonna miss Bruno.
Oh man, well I'll go watch it in Florida.
Hi, my name's Bruno.
Bruno is. What is Bruno? I forgot that commercial.
Gay. I know this may be hard, but I am gay.
Scott thinks that commercial is really funny when he's like he's talking to some Muslims. He's like, your leader kind of looks like a dirty Santa, or no, a dirty wizard, or a homeless Santa. Bruno.
No, this is like Sex and the City just before last.
Sex and the City.
No, it's not. So Donnie,
Ooh.
which Sex and the City girl are you? I ain't any of them. I'm Donnie.
They all look
Such
red.
a Samantha thing to say.
On my camera.
What?
All the fireworks look like red and white on my camera.
So that doesn't look yellow and green?
You can kind of see the green. But like, I don't know, that kind of sucks.
Supposedly this hospital has a bunch of demons.
Wow. Let's not discuss that while I'm recording.
Disgusting fun.
Because I don't want to get killed.
Probably didn't hear me like you guys.
Okay. Fireworks stopped momentarily. Oh wait, no, I lied. They're going again. It looks like a light. Stop it!
There goes your purse.
What? Oh my god. Oh, fuck you, dude.
Don't fall. I feel bad.
I'm hungry again.
I am too. I want to go to the cafeteria. God,
Those fireworks over there kind of blow.
which one?
Over there. Eureka fireworks are cool. That one was pretty. Let's go to Walmart and get some fireworks and set them off in your yard. What time is it?
What?
Because I want to go set off fireworks in your yard. Let's go after these are over.
Go first cafeteria.
Let's go to Sonic. I want a Sonic burger. I got a free one.
Alright.
Buy one, get one free because I went to Splashdown.
Okay. So hold on.
Oh, there's the finale! It's the finale!
You think it's the finale?
It is! What time is it? That's really pretty!
9:15.
It's the finale! That one was really pretty and sparkly.
What time does Sonic close?
I don't know.
Hope
Aren't
so.
they open late now?
I hope so.
I know the drive-thru is. There's fireworks over there. I can't find them.
Fireworks over there.
Oh, there's more over there. The whole sky's pink. You can't tell on my camera, but it's all pink. Like all of that, the whole sky, it's all pink. It's pretty cool. What's that? Oh.
No, just talk.
Hello?
The message.
Oh, hi Austin! You're kind of fat. Get up here.
You're kind of fat. Sorry, Lunchbox, but you are fat. You gotta lose weight with me.
I heart you.
We're supposed to start
A little.
We're gonna start running Monday. You got it? Still open, so we can still talk. We're gonna leave them long. Do that again.
That one was kind of gross. Oh, those are pretty. That other one totally wasn't the finale. I lied.
Yeah, I told you it was a finale.
It was really big. It looked cool.
It's always big. We can't see part of it.
I know. I wish we could see it all. I wish we were on that roof.
Doors did not open, but we did. Dude, they're just chilling there. We're in their line.
Whatever. Oh, those are pretty.
I'll do what I want.
Permanent dent in your car.
You see my nose?
No, I can't see your nose. Now I can.
Oh, that sucks.
All the fireworks over there are so tiny.
And they're loud, but they're...
Yeah.
Oh, it's still going. Hey,
It's only been 2 minutes.
No, it's actually only been...
2?
No, like a minute and 20.
I've been recording for 7. This is like the crappiest video of fireworks in the world. Go away! Get out of my shot.
Don't slip now.
I probably will.
You're on the window. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Oh, those are cool.
Hello?
I wish I could get up higher. Wish I had a ladder.
Yeah, hey. We're actually going to go to Sonic after, so just come up to the parking deck. Alright, where the hell are you at? Oh, well, it's really loud. How long is it going to take you to get back? Okay. Alright. Bye-bye.
Are they going to Washington?
No.
Where are they? Oh, those bastards.
You couldn't leave.
I could have walked to the... No, I couldn't have. That's too far. I'm
10 minutes away.
That's too far. Shut your face. No, that's not funny. Funny. Oh, I missed it. It was purple, too. Shit.
Purple like the gays. Were you recording me a bit?
Probably. I've been recording for 8.5 minutes.
Just like a shark.
Stop. I'll kill you. I will push you off this car. So help me.
And I will grab onto this pocket and make sure you come with me. Maybe you may land on me.
This is the coolest hoodie in the whole world. I'm so glad you made me buy it.
I didn't make you buy it.
Okay, I made you let me buy it. I should have got those moon shoes though. Those were so cool.
You didn't even try them on. You didn't even think about trying them on.
But they
you
were
just wanted
so
them.
cool.
So you don't have to go to your dad's anymore?
I don't know.
But you said that you didn't have to.
I don't think I do. It depends. It's gonna be a big ordeal.
You have to go to court?
Yeah.
Can I come?
Sure, you can come.
I'm training to be a lawyer, so it'd be good. It was either that or psychologist, and I think lawyer would be funner, because I get to yell at people.
Yeah.
You can't handle the truth! Oh, wait.
Don't ever say that if you're a lawyer.
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth.
I can handle it just
I'll be
fine.
Tom Cruise. You'll be that other guy.
Jack Nicholson.
Jack Nicholson.
The other guy. Wait, how does that work out? Because what you just said is Jack Nicholson.
Shut up. It's shut up. I want
it to be over because I want
food.
Sonic.
I want, yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm done recording.